How was your day? It's good, Benjamin. How about you, Benjamin? How is your day? So our topic is very topic talaga. It is infatuated. How was your day, Benjamin? I say thank you. So here are the signs that so that you can figure it out if you are in love with. Talking na naman ako eh. So number 1, if it is really in love, everyone will be sleeping. Yeah. If it is in love with you, if it's really true that the person is in love with you, the person show you genuine interest in your life, values, and goals. Number 2, they listen as para mag-relax ang beauty ni Alma. Number 2, they listen actively and remember important details about you. Right? They support and encourage you in your endeavor. Number 4, they make an effort to spend quality time with you and engage in meaningful conversation. Do you have that one? Which means you are in love. They respect your boundaries and prioritize your feelings. Oh, that is what. But if the person is in love with a dream, so sometimes using love to get something what you want, like that. So these are the things that the signs they idealize you or the relationship without really loving you. You can sense that actually, guys. Number 2, they focus more on the idea of being in love than on getting to know you, right? Have you noticed that one, that in love but doesn't want to know you more about your background, right? That is why in the dating site, if the person asks you about family, that's the signs that that person is interested in you. If that person is asking you about your family, how about your kids, like that, interested about it. Number 3, they may be overly attached on or clingy, seeking constant validation. Yung constant validation, guys, that's the reason na in love with a dream. Number 4, they might not prioritize communication or conflict resolution. If sometimes you have yung may pag-aaway kayo, guys, sometimes, so that person doesn't want to talk about it. No, gusto lang kalimutan lahat, automatic, and doesn't want to resolve. Number 5, they might be more interested in the romance and less in the reality of a relationship. So, you know already. Remember that everyone experiences love differently and is not always a clear-cut distinction. Take your time, observe their actions and communication openly to understand their true feelings. Ganun yun. So, how about you guys? What can you say about it? You can distinguish if you are really my dance of ang puso ko. Oh my goodness, I have a dance that, guys. Everyone must be sleeping. Yeah, everybody is already sleeping, guys, so it's okay. So talking only. Ang puso ko'y napasayaw tuloy si Alma sa ang puso ko'y nagdurugo. So ganoon yun, guys. So waiting na lang ako ng alaga ng patulog.